Today we're in the Barona Indian Casino in San Diego area. We're gonna check out the room and see how it looks. We are staying in the standard room. The room size is pretty big. Got 2 queen beds. The desk here with a mirror and some lighting. A lot of plugs here. Complimentary coffee, some water. One of the things I like about the room is that there's a little balcony. Small balcony, but you can actually go outside, get some fresh air. TV remote control and some listing about the TV. The TV is a little bit small. It's got a lot of cable channels. Separate shower and a tub. And all the soap and shampoo you need. And then there's a refrigerator. You can put your cold drink in there and the safe. I really like the gym. It's got a great view of the lake. It's a pretty big sized gym. And then the food court is great. A lot of delicious food there. A lot of options.